is the ballad of the black gold. They call it Texas tea, but it's bigger than a cowboy with a lasso. It's deeper than a black hole. Create monopolies, except they collect a fee when you pass go. Crisis international, the government de facto. We got no. Controlling this fiasco, darker than the back roads, bubble hotter than Tabasco, more than what you bargain for, asphalt.
You never see happy, hungry people that ain't rational. They blasted through the gates and they attack you at the Capitol. Run up in your palace, find a head to stay to crack a few. Get a taste of power, then they become fascists too. The fiscal conservatives don't know what their purpose is. Spend money on the war, then they cut. Goods and services, murderers, corporate monsters is breaking records. Exoners at 40 billion a year. They raking in record profits. Stop it. How they banking while the auto industry is tanking? Leadership is sinking. Up pollution in the water stanking. Loyalty to petroleum.